Leaving Richmond for Ingleby Cross, and this will be a tough day. One is 23.5-ish miles, but also, according to everybody I've run into on the coast to coast walk, this is the most dull walk. So I'm gonna try to find something interesting for us today. Lovely house up on the hill. And it's not that this walk is ugly. It's just you've been in the Lake District of all the beautiful mountains, and then you've gone into some rolling hills, and now it's just flat. Check out this amazing abbey over here. Gosh, if this wasn't like a full 8-hour walk today, I would definitely spend some time exploring it. At least get us a little bit of a peek. Found a plaque about it. This is Easby Abbey. And it connects on to this church. And then up here to whatever this building once was. And one final view of it as we walk away. Gonna stop by the Parish Church of St. Mary for a quick snack. Very nice church, and they have snacks as well. Now, I won't read the whole thing. You can pause the video and read it, but this is about Henry Jenkins, who apparently lived to be 169 years old. Definitely much flatter than it has been on this walk, but still lovely. A lot like the coastal farmland in the US on the East Coast. Ran into a rain shower, just took my rain jacket off. I was telling you yesterday I'm actually not wearing the rain pants, and you can see already it's starting to dry decently. Stopping for lunch at an honesty stand, and you just add up how much you purchase and put your money in the jars. Making it into Ingleby Cross, about another mile to our hotel. It is a long day, but it's also fairly flat, so I think it's doable for all of you. See you tomorrow.